when you ask a speaker to speak for 1 minute, all he can say is, we thank God for today. I'm a very happy person that I'm able to make it here to be part of this program. I've always been part of Eko Club International Convention from the days when our Egbon used to lead us to all this, and the days of our Baba, the president himself, while he was in office and even after office. One of them that I will never forget is the one in Chicago, where one of the takeaways I had there, a member of the Congress, a congressman there, God bless you, Davis. He said, flattery is like a perfume. You smell it, don't swallow it. And today, 25 years of Eko Club International. We thank God. Thank you all for all you have been doing. God bless you all. Please, lest I forget, Eko Club should not die. And for Eko Club to continue to live, let's make sure that our children are part of this. I'm so happy for our son. Thank you, Honorable Mr. Governor, for having our son in your cabinet. The Commissioner for Science and Technology is our son. The father, Dele Alake, was part of the group that grew Lagos, and he is there now. So Eko Club International will grow when we bring all our children into the net. God bless you all, and thank you, Mr. Governor. Thank you, Honorable Minister, for all you are doing and for coming, for finding time to come here.